Unit 1 Accounts from incomplete records. Sum number 1. From the following particulars ascertaining profit or loss. Capital at the beginning of the year. Capital at the beginning of the year, the 1st April 2018, 5 lakhs. Capital at the end of the year, 31 March 2019, 8 lakh 50,000. Additional capital introduced during the year, 1 lakh 20,000. Drawing during the year, 70,000. Prepare the statement of profit or loss account. The statement of profit or loss for the year 31 March 2019. Particulars. Capital at the end of the year. 31/3/2019. End of the year means closing capital. Closing capital 8 lakh 50,000. Add drawings. Drawings during the year 70,000. ரெண்டுமே add பண்ணா 9 lakh 20,000. Less additional capital introduced. Additional capital introduced 1 lakh 20,000. Less பண்ணா 8 lakhs. இந்த 8 lakhs adjusted closing capital. இந்த year adjusted closing capital less opening capital. Opening capital means beginning of the capital. Beginning of the capital, the 1st April 2018, 5 lakhs. 8 lakhs la 5 lakhs pona balance 3 lakhs. The 3 lakhs of profit. The profit for the year 3 lakhs. இந்த sum இதோட முடியுது. Thank you. இந்த சேனலை subscribe பண்ணுங்க. பெல் பட்டனை அழுத்துங்க. Thank you.